How to add a popular video section for your YouTube channel homepage. So hey guys, if you want to add a popular video section for your YouTube channel homepage, then this video is for you. So all you need to do is simply follow these easy steps. So as here you can see, this is the homepage of my YouTube channel. And as here you can see that it contains the following sections. The first one is a for you, and then there are videos, and at the last there are shorts. So if you also want to display out your popular videos in a separate section, then the first thing you need to do is head on to the YouTube Studio. So since currently I am in my web browser, to head into YouTube Studio you need to click onto your profile at the top right, and then from here simply choose YouTube Studio. Once you will click onto the YouTube Studio, you will be landed onto the YouTube Studio website. Now you need to click onto this customization tab at the left. Once you'll click here, the channel customization page will open. Click onto the home tab, and from here make sure that your home tab page is enabled, and then just below it you can see this add section button right here. So simply click onto the add section button, and from here simply choose popular videos. Once you will do this, you can see that the popular video section has been successfully added to the homepage of our channel. So click onto this publish button at the top right. It will pop up which says changes published. So click onto the go to channel, and from here you can see that the popular video section has been successfully added to your YouTube channel homepage. So that's it for this video. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to hit the like button, do comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.